Hello darlings, for today's video, I'm creating a heart cut crease look for Valentine's Day. To start, I'm using the City Color Be Bold Brow Pomade in the shade Medium Brown to fill in my brows. Since this is a pomade, it can get quite heavy, so I'm going in with a very small amount of product and lightly flicking this through my brows using a brow brush by Benefit. Next, I'm cleaning up the bottom edge of the brows with the Plouise base in the shade 0.5 and a very flat brush from the Plouise Acid Rain collection. After that, I'm setting the brows in place with the Q-Veen Studio Brow Glue and tapping the Plouise all over my eyelids to prime them. Now I'm dipping into the Morphe James Charles eyeshadow palette. I'm picking up the matte purple shade called Escape and packing this into the crease, going from the outer corner of the eye to the inner corner using the Morphe M506 brush. I'm quickly tapping this on to achieve the most pigment possible and swirling my brush throughout every now and then to achieve a light blend before going in with the next color. To blend out what I just applied, I'm going in with the matte magenta shade called Love That and sweeping this around the upper edge of the purple using the Morphe M562 brush.
No words can change the future of us. The waves they break, but we are enough.
Once I have a seamless transition from purple to magenta, I'm taking the matte bright pink shade called Skip and swirling this around the upper edge of the magenta, creating an ombre effect.
And I'm lost in your love when you hold me.
Now that we've completed our blend, it's time to cut the crease. I'm using the Plouise base and the Morphe JH42 brush to stamp out the shape. It's basically a standard half cut crease that has an indentation in the outer edge, creating a sideways heart shape. I'm taking some makeup remover on a Q-tip to really carve out the shape, then I'm going in with more of the Plouise base to achieve a blank canvas and prime this space in preparation for the next shadow. I'm filling in that heart area with a mixture of the light pink called Pinkity Drinkity and bright pink shadow called Skip.
I'm hopeless in the crossfire. There's nowhere to go.
Moving on to face makeup, I'm priming with the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer, and then I'm pouncing on the City Color Be Nude Foundation in Nude 101 using a damp beauty blender.
Is a deeper connection that's leading.
For concealer, I'm applying the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in Fair, which I'm setting with a small Hip Dot sponge and the Hourglass Veil Powder.
'Cause I don't wanna run from your heartbeat.
To contour, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Palette. I'm mixing all three contour shades and adding some shadow to the hollows of my cheeks, my jawline, hairline, and nose. For the nose contour, I'm switching to the LaRousse LR007 brush and blending the product along the sides of the bridge of the nose, under the tip of the nose, and all the way up into the front of the brow. For highlighter, I'm using the Ofra Glazed Donut Highlighter, which is super intense. I'm applying this to the highest points of my face, including my brow bone and inner corner of my eyes. For a really bright pink blush, I'm using the Ofra Charm Your Cheeks blush palette in the shade Pink Satin. Then I'm setting everything in place with the Kimchi Stage Proof Setting Spray.
We got enough. The only direction.
To finish off the eyes, I'm buffing the purple shadow into the outer 3/4 of the lash line. Then I'm drawing a sharp line in the inner portion so that the area closest to the waterline is blank, and I can add the light pink shadow to it as I did on my lid. I'm also taking the magenta and bright pink shades and blending out the outer part of the bottom lash line. Now for lashes, I'm curling my lashes, applying a light layer of the Tarte Maneater mascara, and popping on some very dramatic and fluffy red siren lashes in the style 3D 521. After that, I'm tightlining with the Tarte Easy on the Eyes clay liner and adding a heavy layer of mascara to my bottom lashes. Finally, for lips, I'm lining my lips with the Buxom Plump Line Lip Liner in Ransom, and then I'm applying the full-on plumping lip cream in Lavender Cosmo. And that completes this heart cut crease look. Let me know if you have hard eyes for anyone in the comments below, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.